So yesterday we talked about the famous fragmentation attacks and how a guy ran the fragmentation attacks and was able to bring 97% of the intrusion detection systems at the time to their knees because of the way they do reassembly. Yeah? Okay? So that's kind of what we're dealing with here. What I want you to do now is start up your network security toolkit for me. Now remember when we did it before, make sure you've got the one that's in the QND folder. But you should have it suspended in a suspended state. So when you start VMware Workstation, it's the snort box. So if you go right here, the snort box, see how it says Network Security Toolkit snort? Yeah? How's everybody doing? Huh? You okay? Use up? Need help there, Mike? No? You're good? I didn't see the coffee pot this morning.
I didn't see it either. Did anybody drink anything yesterday?
I don't know.
Does anybody drink coffee?
All I ever do is unplug the thing.
Yeah. Does anybody drink coffee?
I think some of the people here yesterday might have drank it that was, in the back there. I don't know.
Kathy, do you want coffee?
Is that the network security toolkit?
Snort. Network Security Toolkit snort. It should have already been in your VMware Workstation because we were using it before.
Mike, do you drink coffee?
Once in a blue moon.
Okay.
For this week.
That's probably, maybe he didn't make it because of that.
Coffee, you can go down to the 4th floor, back behind Carol, and just use the coffee maker.
Okay.
The coffee instant thingy machine. So I'll go down and let her know that you'll do that this week.
Yeah, it might have been full coffee pots, and he said there's no reason to make some more.
Today's a full coffee box.
Yeah. So what you got?
It's loading up. You said we used the network security toolkit yesterday?
No, we used it to craft your ping packet. That's what you crafted your ping packet in on Monday. Yeah, that's fine. Did you find it, QND and then snort? Open existing virtual machine, then QND and then snort. All right, cool. Start up your virtual machine. Probably suspended. Is it suspended?
No.
Okay. Do you remember the tool that I talked about? Root, and then root PW. Remember the tool from the slides? Doug Song's tool. Frag router. Yeah? But we don't have a router, so we're going to do it locally with our own thing. Just do man frag route. Okay. 3 minutes, see if you can figure out how to do fragmentation with frag router. Start reading down here all the things. Just look at examples. Examples is what you want to follow, is the examples. Did you find any examples? Yeah? Well, what do we do in Windows? What do we do in Unix and Linux? At the man page, once you get done reading it, what we do yesterday after we built and compiled the Washington University FTP daemon exploit, what did we do after we compiled it? We ran the program to see if it gave us a usage picture, right? So now that you've read about it, just type frag route. Wow, looks like it gives me rules and tells me how to use it. Yeah? So we're on our 2 network, right? So frag route 192.168.2.1. Oh, I got to spell it right. I got fraff route. Ah! Got a problem. See this? This is the trick. No route, what we say in the UK, no route, to 192.168.2.1. So how can you get a route or a route to 192.168.2.1? Ping it. Ping it. Now when I ping it, yeah, there's my route to it, right? Now open up another shell while that's pinging. Frag route 192.168.2.1. Now what's it doing? It's fragmenting. See that? See that? It's fragmenting big time. Typical fragments are on bytes of 8-byte offset, right? Because of binary. Yeah? 8 bits, I mean, a byte offset. And we go to this. Or did I'll restart my, oh, I'm on the wrong network, right? Got to change my interface. Just capture interfaces. Start. Look what's happening. Bang, bang, bang. He's going to tell me it's unknown ICMP because it's obsolete because, you know, it's an older protocol type program. But there it is. Fragmentation. See that one there? Look at that. Data, 24 bytes. How we doing? Did you get it? Kind of, sort of? Yeah? Good? Irvin? Your machine's not up. Yeah, it is. It's blue screen. Remember, right-click desktop applications, open a shell. What we can do is we will go into another shell. So if I open another shell. Huh? Did it? Okay, well, I'll show you the alternative, the old school method. TCP dump. Now look at TCP dump, it's getting all the fragments too. See that? Showing the offsets, 24, 0, 24, 48, and all these offsets. Why do you think it's a 24-byte offset? What do you think? How about the fact that our good old friend Doug Song put in a default comp file for us? So we go find /tag name fragroute.conf. There it is, Etsy fragroute.conf. See that? More /Etsy /fragroute. Boy, I just can't type this morning. I wonder why. IP frag 24, putting in 24-byte fragments. So in that case, gentlemen, can we go more Etsy fragroute.conf and change it to VI? Yeah? Now, I for input, everybody remember the old VI? They're like, ah, we hate VI. Nothing wrong with VI. Escape colon rate. Escape colon Q. Okay? So I just VI'd it, right? So now if I go back to my frag router, break it, run it again. Oh, I got to give it a multiple of 8. No. Nice when the tool tells you when you get it wrong. Does Windows do that? No. So multiple of 8. Let's pick one. 16. There we go. That's the natural progression, right? Now let's go back to our frag router and see if the demo works this time. Now what's happening? Well, let's go look at our TCP dump. What's the offset now? 16. There you go. Would be a good offset to really tax or make the filter reassembly process really slow down. 8. Smaller it is, the longer it's going to take to put them all together. Huh?
It's like 16, 32.
0, 16, 32, 48. 0, 16, 32, 48. Yeah. Yeah? Now, you can do a lot more with it, but, you know, you got the process. Remember, we teach the process. How much you do with the tool and play with the tool and stuff like that, that's your own cognizance, how much work you want to do. Yeah? Or I love you read a book, right? You read a pretty good book, and you're like, oh, wow, they're showing me this cool stuff and telling me how to do it. And then they say, and now this, da-da-da-da, and they tell you something you really want to do, and it says in the last paragraph, this is left as an exercise for the reader. That means they didn't want to write it in the book because it's too hard to do it. Huh? Anybody read books like that? And they're like, oh, yeah, we're doing it because they're teaching you the basic stuff in the book. But, yeah, that is left as the exercise for the reader. Yeah, because the author didn't know how to do it.